In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Wix Events app on your website. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, making it easy for you to integrate this powerful tool and start organizing your events in no time. Start by navigating to your Wix site editor or dashboard. Once there, your first task is to locate the app market. This is typically found under Apps or Add Apps, depending on your version. Within this marketplace, you'll want to use the search bar and type in Wix Events or Wix Events and Tickets. This app is specifically designed to help you manage events, so it's a perfect choice for what we're setting out to do. Once you've found it, click on Add to Site. This action will automatically create essential event-related pages on your site, like an events list page and an event details page, making it so much easier to keep everything organized for your attendees. Next, we head to the part of the process where you'll create a new event. Staying within your Wix site dashboard, find the section labeled Events or Wix Events. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your event planning. To start a new event, simply click on the button labeled Plus Add Event. This is your entry point to setting up the specifics for your event. Here, you'll have a choice to make in terms of your event type. Are you planning to sell tickets, or will it be a free event where your guests just need to RSVP? Select Ticketed if you're going to sell tickets, or choose RSVP for free events. This step is important as it determines how people will register for your event and how you'll manage the entries. Now let's talk about the general information for your event. This is where you really get to describe what your event is all about. Enter relevant details including the event name, a description, and an image to give potential attendees a sense of excitement and clarity about what they can expect. It's your pitch, so make it enticing. After you've developed a compelling event description, shift your focus to the nitty-gritty details such as the date and time. Choose a date and set a specific time for your event, ensuring you consider your audience and what will work best for them. Nothing worse than clashing with a local sporting event or public holiday. Finally, it's time to choose your location. You can opt for a physical address if the event is in person, online for a virtual gathering, or even a hybrid of both. For online events, it's crucial to specify how attendees will access the event, whether that's through a link, detailed instructions, or another method, such as Zoom. And there you have it, a fully set-up event on your Wix site, ready to engage and delight your audience. Whether you're planning a small gathering or a large conference, Wix Events gives you the tools you need to succeed.